them. They're climbing all over everything. I just came out here to check on the birds. Then all the kittens started following me. And then they started meowing, and they all came out here for some reason. Where all these trees are fell down. And I don't know what they have found that is so interesting out here. Well, hey there. Look at them playing. Look at how cute they are. They've been having to hide from the rain all day, and now they're out and about having a good time. There's some back there, over there. Let me zoom in. See, there's some there. Here's one hanging on a tree. Oh, hey there, Ethereal. I know you can climb. There's Kaizera with the poofy tail. That one's Princess. Kitties, are y'all having a good time? They're getting more and more adventurous. And some of them are, like Kaizera, is already following me to the woods on her own. Look at there. Look at all these beautiful kittens. Right back there, there's Spot. I can't touch that one. That's Princess. She's friendly. I want to keep that one. That's Ethereal. He's very friendly. I'm going to keep him. Of course, can't keep them all, but I might have to because they say you can't find anybody to take kittens around here, unfortunately. But there's Kaizera. We all know Kaizera. Hey, Kaisi. Hey, dear. There's Kaizera. Well, and that's Locket. There's Locket.